Zackice, open up the app, let's start with the basics. Don't be basic, I'ma breaking it down, no need to fake it. AI tools, using on purpose.
What's good? This is your boy Zackice, and welcome to Create Time with Zackice. This is the first ever episode that I'm doing of Create Time. I've been a graphic designer for about 10 plus years now, and I run a successful graphic design company. So I decided, why not show people how to use AI tools and different things like that. So I just wanted to welcome you to Create Time with Zackice. This is going to be your go-to spot for mastering the tools that make your content easy today. It's not like it was like back in the day when I first started doing content. I had to use like Adobe and Illustrator and After Effects for my clients, and it was really tedious. Now with the creation of like AI and Canva and all of the AI tools that they make it really easy for people to do it today. So what we're doing today is, recently I started back using YouTube really heavy and said, okay, I've been doing content for everybody else and I've been helping people's channels grow. It's time for my channel to grow back again. It's been about, I got one of those old YouTube accounts. It's been about like 8 years. My YouTube account is literally 16 to 17 years old, and it's crazy because YouTube just turned 20. So if I would have kept going with doing YouTube and everything that I was doing before, maybe I'll be a little bit ahead. But I took some time out, I got married, did some things, and now like I'm here just to like share my knowledge and give everyone the knowledge that I have, that I've acquired over the years doing graphic design. And because the market has changed, I no longer can do like logos and flyers and think that's in websites that think that's going to help me. I really had to tap into creating shorts with using AI prompts and doing different coding and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Today is very special because I recently created a character called Miss Shirley or Miss Sherry. I guess I'll say Miss Shirley. And she literally got 20,000 views from this one AI short that I created with the YouTube built-in AI. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube's built-in AI creator and editor to learn how to edit and post YouTube videos for yourself. Even if you've never edited a thing before, even if you're a novice, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be so easy. Like when I tell you, baby, when I tell you, like, you're going to be like, why didn't I do this sooner? And I'm like, myself, why didn't I do this sooner? Like literally it's on my thumb. And I'm like a YouTube advocate. Like I watch YouTube shorts, like, come on now. Like literally when I'm eating, I watch YouTube. When I'm like on my break at work, I watch YouTube. Like literally, I'm watching YouTube all the time. So it's like, come on now, why not do it? So let's jump right in and we're going to start creating. The first thing that we're going to do is basically do some preparation and some research, because you need to know exactly what type of YouTube video that you want to create, what's your niche, or you might just want to just throw out anything. Like I threw out anything and I was like, okay, reel it back in. And when I reeled it back in, I was like, whoa, this is kind of crazy and amazing at the same time. I'm like, this is jaw-dropping, the stuff that you can do and the stuff that you can create just with like in the built-in YouTube app. So I'm really excited. So let's get into it. You're going to need your phone And that's just about it in your creative mind for this. What I like to do, like I said before, is do a little research. So I created a Muppet character. How I came up with this is because when I was younger, I watched PBS a lot. And one thing that I loved was the Muppets. And so I was like, okay, why not bring that nostalgia thing back here? So I created a Muppet character. So I decided what I wanted her to or him to look like, and I put the description in my notes that's in my phone, and then I went into YouTube. Well, let me just show you exactly what I did. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my notes, and I've already have prompts set up for my video for Miss Shirley. So basically I'm going to go into the folder for the Muppet prompts and pick the first one for Miss Shirley, just describing what I want her to look like and what I want her to be doing. Then I'm going to go over to YouTube and go into the settings, pressing the plus. I'm going to click on the add and then click on create, and then I'm going to paste my prompts. Next, I'm going to hit vintage because I like vintage, and then I'm going to hit create. So it's going to render you about 3 or 4 pictures, and then you pick the one that you like the best. If not, then you can try it again. I like Miss Shirley with the pink fan, so I picked this one. It takes a few seconds to create a clip, but it animates it, and you can animate it as many times as you want in order to get the right lip sync. You can change the speed, you can change a lot of different things. You can put a filter on top of it, but you need about 3 clips to do a 15-second video. After that, I'll go and get my sound, which I'm using Boots on the Ground. So I'm using Boots on the Ground, and then I'm going to create another prompt, another panel, or another video, whatever you want to call it. So I'm using the same prompts. Sometimes you can add things or you can take out things, but it does variations. And then I'm going to try again because I didn't like any of those. One thing that I like is I like consistent characters. So I want all of my characters to look the same or similar, or you can't notice the different change with the glance because it's only like 15 seconds. So it renders the second one, and it's on 32 seconds, 47 seconds. It's creating the video for you. So now you have 2 videos together and this working together. So you can check the vocals if you're doing a lip sync or something like that, but there's no lip sync here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create another one right quick. So it takes around maybe like 1 or 2 minutes to create these videos if you have like all the prompts and everything that you want, especially if it's simplistic. One thing that I always like to do is like I'll say like, you know, cute Muppet in pink cowboy boots with a pink cowboy hat on with pink cowboy tutu in the ghetto. So it can be a little bit more grimier. I know that's kind of crazy, but AI recognizes the ghetto or the street, and it's so amazing the way that it does it. And so now this is the part where you're checking all the clips, and Miss Shirley is doing her thing. I had to use a different audio for copyright. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to process it, and then I'm going to add the description, and I'm going to add a cover. So I'm going to add a title to my cover. For this one, I'm just going to put Boots and Fans, and then I'm going to change the color to pink because pink is really nice on Miss Shirley. And so after I change the color to pink for Miss Shirley, then I'm going to go in and add my description. So there's a lot of things that you need to do for your description. One, I'm going to add Boots and Fans for the descriptions. Then I'm going to add my hashtag. So it's very important that you add hashtags that are to your niche and to the video that you want to do. For this, I'm going to be adding Boots and Boots on the Ground. I'm going to be adding viral. I'm going to be adding trending, just things that I know that it relates to Miss Shirley in a whole. And so I'm searching for my hashtags. Next thing you know, after that, after I do my hashtags, I'm going to go to visibility. So one thing that I like to do is I like to put mine on public, and then I like to schedule mine for a couple of days off out so YouTube can know what's going on. So I'm scheduling at 6 p.m. A couple of days. I'm putting my location so I can make sure that people in the United States actually see the video and it's not going anywhere else. I'm going to put no, it's not for kids. And then after that, I'm going to do a related video. Since Miss Sherry already got 20,000 views on the first video, I'm going to put a second video, and there's no altered content. And then after that, you just upload the short and then it'll schedule itself. Was that hard? It wasn't at all. Guess what? That's it. That's all you have to do. And we just used AI tools. AI tools is not that hard. And to make a YouTube short in minutes, literally, it was minutes that we made that little YouTube short. And I'm glad that I could help you out. And make sure that you like and you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're going to have more videos. Like literally, I'm going to dive into how to make short videos on Canva, how to use Magic Light AI, how to use different things to make animated videos, animated children's videos, how to edit your already existing videos. So, don't miss out. Like the next Create Time with Zackice is coming up, and it's like literally going to be phenomenal. Keep creating and keep being smart. This is Create Time with Zackice. Over and out.
Yeah, we know what time it is. It's Create Time with Zackice. Open up the app, let's start with the basics. Don't be basic. I'm breaking it down, no need to fake it. AI tools, using on purpose. Learn nothing to something, make your content surface. Shots going viral, reels on repeat. Shots going viral, reels on repeat. It's Create Time with Zackice. Text so smooth, hit it like a pro. Even if it's your first time, I upload, explode, hit the views. It's Create Time with Zackice. AI shorts to app hacks and tips, so delicious. Showing you how with just a few clicks. No cap, and I'll tell you let the app like shorts, auto pitch to an exit, so delicious. Showing you how with just a few clicks, no cap. I tell you, shorts going viral. Reels on repeat. Shorts going viral. Reels on repeat. It's Create Time with Zackice. Text so smooth, hit it like a pro. Even if it's your first night, I upload, explode, hit the views. It's Create Time with Zackice. Create Time with Zackice. One step, one tip, now you locked in. Short form, long game, but to win.